Happy good morning.
Good morning.
Sunny, we have our first collaboration video today.
Our first collab?
Yeah, it's an open collab using the hashtag creating and recrafting. The hosts are Carol from Carol's Recrafted Boutique and Jovi from Creating with Jovi. This month's theme is kitchen.
That's awesome. I could really use a break anyway. It's getting hot out here. Refreshing.
Are you done?
Yes! Let's use the bottle, bag, and straw to make a gnome.
Great idea, Sunny.
Let's get started!
To make the gnome's body, we're going to use the green glass bottle. Be sure to remove the label before beginning.
Ouch! I just got pinched.
That's because you're not wearing any green. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait a minute. Did that felt come from the kitchen?
Yep.
Let me see.
Do you believe me now?
Uh-huh.
Cover a chopstick with cling wrap. Wrap the felt strip around the stick. Use a dab of glue and cover the felt. Set aside to dry. We were going to use the straw, but it was very slippery and it didn't hold up as well. Here's the difference between the two. Place a mark in the center of the bottle where you want your nose to go. I had to use an eraser to hold the bottle into place while I glued the gnome's beard. To make the gnome's nose, use a circular piece of felt. You'll need some stuffing too. Thread your needle and begin weaving it back and forth halfway around the circle. Add some stuffing and continue stitching until the circle is all closed up.
I love your pincushion.
Thank you. My little niece made it. It's made out of a recycled plastic bottle cap. See?
Ooh, clever. I love it.
Me too.
Oh no!
Let's try that again. I'm just loving his little beard. Okay, on to making the hat. Place a paper bag on the floor and practice your best Irish jig. You want to get your paper nice and crumply. Now flatten out the paper and get out your paint supplies. Sunny, look at the name of our paint.
Oh, that's hysterical.
Paint one side, let dry, flip over, and paint the other side. Once the entire bag is dry, place it on your gnome's head. Squish and crinkle the bag to get the gnome hat look you'd like to achieve.
You should have made a black hat so he looks more like a leprechaun.
Oh, great. Now you tell me. Let's finish this and we'll try out your idea later. Once you find a shape you like, glue the paper together to help hold it into place. Let's make a quick pom-pom for the end of the hat. I wrapped the yarn around my fingers 20 times and then tied it tightly before cutting. Fluff and trim to form your fuzzy hat topper. Let's make a gold buckle for the hat. OMG, he is so adorable. Okay, let's try a black hat for Sunny. On this one, I decided to attach a shamrock to his hat and let the end fly freely. Let's take a look at the end results. I absolutely love how this little leprechaun gnome turned out.
Is this a leper gnome or a gnomecon?
Oh, that's funny, Sunny. Which hat do you like best? Comment down below. I also added some fairy lights to help brighten up the night. He just looks so darling. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out Carol's Recrafted Boutique and Creating with Jovi. If you'd like to join the collab, remember to use the hashtag Creating and Recrafting. We hope you have a happy St. Patrick's Day, and we'll see you next time for more amazing craft ideas.
Happy crafting!